Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi mayo. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need Japanese mayonnaise, sriracha, and a touch of rice vinegar. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Grab a clean bowl and a whisk, and we'll be ready to create this delicious condiment in no time. It's surprisingly simple. Now for the basic recipe. Start with 1 cup of Japanese mayonnaise in your bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of sriracha. This gives it that signature kick. Next, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar brightens the flavor. Remember, you can always add more sriracha if you like it extra spicy, so taste as you go.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making sushi mayo, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, after cooking, you might want to freshen up your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to whisk. Mix everything together until it's perfectly smooth and uniform. You want to see a consistent color and no streaks. Be careful not to overmix, as this can sometimes make the mayo a bit too thin. Aim for a creamy texture that holds its shape well, perfect for drizzling. Want to get creative? Try adding a dash of sesame oil for an extra layer of flavor, or a pinch of sugar to balance the spice. A tiny bit of smoked paprika can also introduce a lovely smoky note. Once you've perfected your mayo, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh and delicious for about 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.